my dear students. Good morning to all. Students, as we know that we had completed 3 chapters. Now today we will start with new chapter number 11, important cities. So come to chapter number 11, page number 73. Let's start. India has about 4,000 cities and towns. Out of these, the 4 most important cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. These are called the metropolitan cities. Other metro cities of India are Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Pune and Ahmedabad. Mumbai is the largest city in India in terms of area and population. It means India has 4,000 cities and towns. The 4 most important cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, are the metropolitan cities. What are metropolitan cities? Metropolitan cities are cities which are densely populated, having population more than 1 million, and all the facilities there like railways, airports, bus terminals, large road network with other cities and towns have. These are called the metropolitan cities. Now the first metropolitan city is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. The official name of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi. The city was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Delhi is the capital of India and the government gave name to Delhi National Capital Territory of Delhi, and this city was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Next is location. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It shares its border with Uttar Pradesh in the east and with Haryana on the other 3 sides. Now the river Yamuna flows in Delhi, and if you will see on the map of India, Delhi shares its border with Uttar Pradesh on the eastern side, and on all other 3 sides have Haryana. Next, climate of Delhi. Delhi is very hot in summers. Hot dry winds called Lu blow during the summers. Winters are cold and chilly. July and August are the rainy months. Now the climate of Delhi is hot in summer and cold in winters, and July and August are the rainy months. Next is people and languages. Delhi is often called mini India. Why it is called mini India? Because people from different parts of India can be seen here. They live and work here. So people from different parts of India live in Delhi for work. People wear both traditional and modern clothes. Men wear trousers, shirts, jeans, kurta, pajamas, while women wear salwar, kameez, saris, jeans, skirts and other dresses. People speak different languages like Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu. These are the languages of the people of the Delhi. Step up. The old name of Delhi was Indraprastha. In the Mahabharata, it is mentioned as the city built by the Pandavas. After many centuries, Shah Jahan rebuilt it and called it Shahjahanabad. Festivals. As people of different religions live here, almost all festivals are celebrated in this city. Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Eid are some of the religious festivals celebrated here. A grand parade on Republic Day is held at Rajpath every year. On Republic Day, a grand parade is held at Rajpath. And Holi, Diwali, Dussehra are some of the religious festivals celebrated in the Delhi. Next is food. Delhi is famous for its rich and spicy food, especially pranthas, chole bhature, kebabs, nihari, butter chicken and chaat. These are the famous dishes of the people of the Delhi. Next is government. Delhi is the seat of the central government. The central secretariat and the parliament are also located here. The parliament makes laws for the country. The Prime Minister, President and all cabinet ministers live in Delhi. Delhi is the seat of central government also, and the Prime Minister, President and all cabinet ministers are also live in Delhi. The residence of the President of India is known as the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The governments of other countries also have their offices here. These are known as the embassies or high commissions. The place where the President of India lives, it is known as the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is also in Delhi. And the foreign offices also there, that are called the embassies. Famous places to visit. Delhi has many famous monuments and places to visit. Thousands of tourists come to Delhi every year to visit these places. Some of the most famous ones are: Delhi has many famous monuments. Number 1, Red Fort or Lal Killa. It's a beautiful fort built in red sandstone and it was built by Shah Jahan. Next is Qutub Minar. Is a 73-meter tall brick minar. Its construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Next is India Gate. It is a memorial built for the Indian soldiers who laid down their lives during First World War. A flame called the Amar Jawan Jyoti always keeps burning here. It is located on Rajpath, the road that leads to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Humayun Tomb and Jantar Mantar are also widely visited tourist spots in Delhi. Rajghat or the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi can also be seen in Delhi. Rajghat is the place where there is Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Other places of visit in Delhi include the Haj Khas village, Nehru Planetarium, Lodi Gardens, National Rail Museum and the Doll House. So these are the famous monuments and places to visit in Delhi. Next is religious places. Delhi has many places of religious worship. The most famous ones are Lotus Temple, Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple, Jama Masjid and the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. Next is industries. Delhi is an important commercial center. It has many manufacturing centers and factories. The key industries are electrical and electronics, home consumable goods, leather industry, plant and machinery, plastics and medicines. So these are the main industries located in Delhi. Next is transport. Delhi is well connected to other cities of India and has a very fast means of transport. The Delhi Transport Corporation operates thousands of buses. Besides this, the metro rail also plays an important role in the transport system of Delhi. Delhi is well connected to other cities of India and has a very fast means of transport. The metro rail also plays an important role in the transport system of Delhi. So this is all about first metropolitan city, Delhi. In next video, we will discuss about next metropolitan city, Mumbai. Thank you.